Still on the issue of the abduction of the mayor, the allegation, a very swift one coming in straight from Odonga Tower. Odonga Tower has taken another step. Odonga Tower has tagged President Museveni, which technically means he has sent a message to President Museveni to intervene in the matter of the abduction of Kilama Fearless, who is the mayor of Pade Town Council. Odonga has said His Excellency Kagwata Museveni, the mayor of Pade Town Council, was abducted from Kitgum Court today as he was summoned to appear. He was convicted over the demonstration of a COVID curfew in 2021. You directed that cases that arose during COVID time be handled with leniency. Please intervene. So it's a shift development, a very serious one. Jimmy Kidega has said Fearless of Boya is fearing him. So meaning Fearless of Boya is fearing Kilama, whose name is also Fearless. Names called Fearless now increasing in Pade. I think I should also add my name to Mark Tuno Bryan, Fearless. So the matter of Pade seems to be something so bloody, so bleeding. We must remember that military control of Pade went to skyrocket level from 2020 when COVID-19 lockdown came in, and then it was fueled more by interest of military officials from Pade in the political campaign of 2021. So these are seen a number of demonstrations. We're going to run a short documentary. There has been a number of demonstrations from the residents of Pade Town Council against L5 chairperson Oboya Fearless, who has a lot of bad headlines, a record bad headlines in history. This is fact, and we're going to pin down with evidence. So the matter of Pade should be called Pade Blitz.